state government has filed an appeal against the recent Federal High Court ruling in Abuja that barred the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) from distributing federal allocations to the state. As earlier reported by NaijaNews TV, Justice Joyce Abdulmalik of the Abuja Federal High Court declared that Governor Siminalayi Fubara's presentation of the 2024 budget before a four-member Rivers State House of Assembly contradicted constitutional provisions. The ruling also prohibited the CBN, the Accountant General of the Federation, Zenith Bank, and Access Bank from granting Fubara access to funds from the Consolidated Revenue and Federation accounts. The Government House in Port Harcourt saw heightened activity with various groups, government officials, People's Democratic Party supporters, and other stakeholders gathering, resulting in significant traffic in the vicinity. A widely circulated video captured a closed-door meeting at the Government House involving Finance Minister Wale Edun and other officials with Governor Fubara. The State Commissioner for Information and Communications, Joseph Johnson, confirmed that an appeal has been filed and expressed confidence that the appeal court would overturn the judgment. He stated that signs indicating the likely outcome were clear and they remain calm, having already challenged the Federal High Court's decision. Johnson added, "The judgment has already been appealed, and I believe the Court of Appeal will overturn the judgment. We are not panicked, and there is no cause for alarm." Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.